Welcome to this video on how to use SWOT analysis. Did you know that a simple SWOT analysis can really transform your marketing strategy and drive your business forward? If you are looking to make better marketing decisions, this powerful yet simple tool is really for you to use to succeed. It will help you identify what you do well, where you can improve, and how to capitalize on market opportunities while being aware of potential challenges. In today's video, I will guide you through the key and essential questions around SWOT analysis and, importantly, the process on how to conduct a SWOT analysis. Let's get started. What we will cover in this video. What is SWOT analysis? I will define what it is. We will then discuss applications and uses. In other words, what is it used for or what is the purpose? The next question is, when is it used? Then who uses it? And finally, and importantly, how to use it. When discussing how to use it, I will introduce you a couple essential or key principles before you start. And I do recommend that you do not start until you fully understand those. I will discuss each component of SWOT analysis and I will provide you step-by-step guide in how to conduct it. So, first things first, what is SWOT analysis? SWOT analysis is a strategic framework designed to help businesses, small and big, evaluate their internal and external environments. It stands for strengths, weaknesses, opportunities, and threats. This analytical tool empowers businesses to identify their internal strengths and weaknesses while recognizing external opportunities and threats. For marketeers, conducting SWOT analysis is really essential for assessing competitive positioning of the products or services they manage and crafting strategies that will capitalize on strengths, address weaknesses, and seize opportunities while mitigating threats. So, what are the applications or uses of this analysis? It can be applied at various levels, whether to an entire organization, a specific brand, or a specific product or service. Whilst it's often utilized to evaluate organizational alignment with growth trajectories and success benchmarks, it can also assess individual projects. For example, a bank may analyze the performance of a specific credit card. I strongly recommend that SWOT analysis is used more on an individual and specific product or project. Whilst you can get great results out of using this, for example, for the entire organization, you will in general benefit a lot more when you apply it to a very specific purpose. Let's say Apple is a brand that has many products. If you use SWOT analysis for their smartphones, it might look in one way, but if you apply that same SWOT analysis to other products that are maybe introduced later than smartphones and or that didn't gain that a momentum perhaps or significance in the market, you might have a completely different picture. For example, if you look at their cases and speakers and so forth. So it's really best to use it for a very specific purpose. And the more narrowly you look, the better. Now, when is it used? It is used to summarize the market research you have done. You would usually use primary and or secondary data to analyze the market, consumers' needs and wants, what is changing, trends, and so forth. And you will then summarize that extensive research into one simple tool. It would be great if you would be able to present it all in one page. So you could just do SWOT analysis framework, and usually it really shouldn't exceed a page. Now, who would use it? Well, the question here is, who doesn't? Everyone would use SWOT analysis. It's a very common tool to use in practice. Everyone from marketing assistants, executives, through to CEOs would use this analysis. It's very common in particular for day-to-day marketing jobs to address particular products, particular campaigns, and particular channels, tactics, and so forth. So now we will move to the section how to use it. And now let's dive into how to use SWOT analysis. Well, first of all, you should consider two essential principles or perspectives: customer and competitor. When conducting your SWOT analysis, it is crucial to look at two perspectives: consumers and competitors. You should only incorporate those resources or capabilities that are valued by your customers. And it will always be in relation to competitors. The challenge here is that usually SWOT analysis will be prepared by someone working in an organization such as marketing or brand manager. However, SWOT analysis should really represent how consumers see that particular product, service, campaign, and so forth. So you should always think about the customer and always in relation to competitors. For example, you might be an owner of a hotel, and you might say the strength is that it is the tallest hotel in the world. Well, it might be a strength for you. However, if consumers do not see it as a strength, then you shouldn't include it in there. So you really need to look through the eyes of consumers and always in relation to competitors. Now, what are the components of SWOT analysis? Strength. These are internal advantages that set your business apart, such as unique product or service offerings. For example, maybe you have a loyal customer base, innovative technology, or a firm may boast a proprietary algorithm that enhances user experience. So whatever it is that is valued by customers. Weaknesses, internal challenges that may impede success, such as resource limitations, skill gaps, or negative public perception. Identifying those weaknesses is really crucial for strategic improvement. Now, opportunities. External factors that present potential for growth, such as emerging market trends, technological advancements, or strategic partnerships. For instance, an increasing consumer demand for sustainable products can offer new avenues for brands focused on eco-friendly practices. And threats, external challenges that could adversely affect your business, including competitive pressures, economic shifts, or regulatory changes. Recognizing these threats is vital for proactive risk management. Here, it's important to distinguish between internal and external factors. So it's important to categorize strengths and weaknesses as internal factors, elements that are under your control, while opportunities and threats are external to your organization that may be more challenging to identify. Acknowledging this distinction enhances the clarity and effectiveness of your analysis. Now, how do you prepare it? Step-by-step guide. Let's walk you through the essential steps. Perhaps first step will be to assemble your team. Collaboration is key. Engage team members from various departments, marketing, sales, consumer service, to gain diverse insights. Different perspectives would enrich your analysis. Number 2, brainstorm strengths. Facilitate a discussion using guiding questions such as: what do we excel at? What unique resources do we possess? Encourage open dialogue to capture comprehensive insights. Step number 3, identify weaknesses. Focus on uncovering areas for improvement. Pose questions like: what feedback do we receive from customers? Where do we fall short compared to competitors? This step is critical for identifying actionable improvements. Step number 4, explore opportunities. Conduct market research to pinpoint growth potential. Consider trends or partnerships that align with your strengths. For instance, if your brand is known for innovation, explore collaboration with tech firms to enhance offerings. And step number 5 would be to assess threats. Evaluate internal factors that could negatively impact your business. Consider competitive actions, market dynamics, or economic conditions that might pose risks. Step number 6, compile and analyze. Organize your findings into a structured SWOT matrix. Review insights collectively and discuss how they can inform your marketing strategy moving forwards. In conclusion, SWOT analysis is an invaluable tool for shaping your marketing strategy. By understanding your strengths, weaknesses, opportunities, and threats, you can make informed decisions that drive your business forward. I encourage you to conduct your own SWOT analysis and discover how it can transform your marketing efforts. And please ensure you revise it constantly, as there is nothing more constant than a change. If you found this video insightful, please give me a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and share your own SWOT analysis experiences in the comments below. Thank you for watching, and I look forward to seeing you in the next video.